take my heavy jacket off, man. I'm hot. You're ready to ride, man.
I'm ready.
I want to get a cup of coffee. I don't know what time it is. Probably got a quarter till.
Yeah, shoot. It's too bad I didn't get that on record. Because I went up the off ramp to get onto the 95 instead of coming up the wagon wheel. So I had to turn around halfway up the ramp and go down the wrong way.
Oh my God.
I thought I had it recording, but I didn't.
Oh my God.
All right, up here in Henderson with some good friends, getting ready to head down to Bullhead City, do a meeting, and we're gonna go on over to Oatman. Hope you guys enjoy the ride.
Have a blessed day, folks.
Amen. Right on.
Amen.
Okay, I got that story out of the way. So
Good.
You got more, I hope.
I do have a couple.
Oh, yeah.
I got a few.
I bet you do.
He's a freaking talker.
What?
Nah, he's not. I am. A podcast, man. I want to know what you want to know.
Okay,
All right, man.
we'll be there tomorrow.
Yeah.
Rock and roll.
Bullhead City was just spread out.
Oh yeah.
Wow. I just did water park.
You've been here before?
Oh yeah.
Oh, right on. Have you been since it's been remodeled?
I noticed.
Oh,
Yeah.
fuck, man. Wait till you see it.
Yeah, it's amazing. All right, made it down to Bullhead City. Here we are at Bullhead City. Picked up another rider. Got Ken over there. Randy.
Hey,
What's your name again?
I'm David.
David. All right. I got it logged
He's an
in now.
old-timer.
I got David logged in now.
Get a shot of this, Kenny. Lana Club of Bullhead City, founded January 1986.
Yeah, they got a nice remodel job here. Didn't even recognize it when we was riding by. Lano Club down in Bullhead. All right, let's go in and get a meeting then.